Sometimes you can find great sales on Amazon by simply checking out what is a best-selling item or popular at the time. Amazon makes it super easy to find these things in almost every category. Simply type amazon.com/bestsellers in your address bar and hit enter. This is going to take you to the list of all the bestsellers. As you can see on the left-hand side, you can choose most any category. So say I want to see the bestsellers right now in grocery and gourmet food. I would just simply click on it. This is what is selling right now. Sometimes there'll be really good deals, like this is currently a really good deal. This is a good deal. That is also a good deal. Okay, this is a nice way to find some good sales going on. From here, you can also see the new releases in the categories by looking over here. See the top 10 hot new releases. Okay, and I can just click on that if I want to see that. These are updated hourly, so I check in here pretty often. See if there's anything that I use for a good price. If that wasn't enough, Amazon offers an option to see what products are selling at an alarming rate, which can sometimes signify a pretty good sale. The other cool feature on this page is the Movers and Shakers tab. This tab is going to show you every product that is jumping in sales rank, okay? So for example, this product over here was 627th in sales rank in books. Now it's 242. Or look at this book that just jumped 1,095% in sales rank, okay? A lot of times this is because they just dropped the price on the product, and so it's moving much faster. Not always, but a good portion of the time. So this is a great place to look. You can also, again, choose your category. So I could go in home and kitchen if I wanted to and see what was hot in home and kitchen. Okay, this meal prep package moved from over 6,000 sale rank to 23rd in home and kitchen. So either it's something people are really looking for right now or it dropped in price. But either way, it's a great place to look here in the Movers and Shakers if I want to try and find some good sales.